Hey everyone, thanks for coming by. Pumped to have you. Can't wait to show you this new Desert Canyon. This tent is a vertical sidewall, so it's kind of our cabin tents reimagined, and it does two cool things. One, sets up as a tent with a rain fly, and two, it sets up as just a sun shelter or rain shelter by itself. We've got a 4 and a 6, so bigger families go for the 6. Let's break this open, we'll do a quick gear check, and we'll get started setting up. This green one is your canopy cover. This gray one is your tent body. Now, keep in mind, attached to the tent body are your roof hubs. So those are already in there. Then you'll have a big gray bag full of poles. Check and make sure that you have 4 steel poles. Make sure that you have your 2 roof poles. You have a gear caddy and tent stakes. All right, so let's spread this out. Okay, so next thing we're gonna do is get our tent poles. Now, which ones are which? Here, we have 2 sets. These are your leg poles. Leg poles have a point on the end, and they're also connected together with steel cable. Your roof poles are these ones here. They're fiberglass, they have steel bands in the middle, and they're shock corded together. You see that white cord? So these ones are gonna go right across the top of the tent. So one tip I can give you is look for where the 2 sleeves crisscross, and you want to start with the sleeve that goes underneath. So chase that back, goes to the back right corner or the front left corner of the tent. Run your pole through that, then run your pole through the top sleeve here to the other side. Okay, let's grab the other pole. Now, something you might find in the middle of this sleeve, because it's at the top, it may be a little tough to get it through on the first time you set this up. Work the pole a little bit in through here. This is reinforced fabric here for stability. Okay, great. Now we have our 2 tent poles set up. Let's hook up the hubs. All right, so come in and take a look at this. You can see it says roof here, eaves, leg, so it'll tell you exactly where this thing needs to go. And we're gonna connect that roof hub to the end of this pole here. Now this is the last one in the whole setup, so it can be a little bit tricky. So you want to push it up, and it's gonna give you a lot of pressure. So then you push that right into place. There you go, you've got your roof line set up. Next, the leg poles. So we've got our first leg, and we'll start to build up this tent. Working our way around the tent. Each corner go the same. Goes in. Now we do the clips. All right, now spread out the fly, give it a whirl. Hey, all right. So now just work the fly around the tent into the eave corners. Once you've got your fly on, take the grommet here underneath the tent onto the tent pole and tighten these down. There are clips underneath that we'll need to attach. See, this clip goes right there. And if you'd like, go ahead, guide this out. Grab 4 stakes. 1 stake down here in the front. 1 stake down here through this loop. We go around the back and do the other stakes. And there you have your Desert Canyon 4. Let's go see inside. We'll put our gear caddy in. And we are ready to camp. Have fun.